Abantu bamintu biyamone. Biyamone nande. Inche kwambo kasimba. Omolibio simbarati. Before I give the speech from the governor and condolences, this girl called Mora came to me and told me she wants to sing a song. I kindly request that we give her a few minutes. She sings a song and she goes back.
The God is good and all the time. I'm Star Mora, a solo artist. I came to sing for the family of Ezra, especially for the young children. My song goes to everybody and the title is Kifo.
namkaribisha mheshimiwa atupe sadaka yake na ndugu zake aliyotembea na wao. Asante. Welcome, Your Excellency.
Please allow me to ask the MCs who has come with me and give their donations.
Kwa majina naitwa Peter Utachi. Mimi ni MCA pale Mwenyerero Ward. Tulisoma na Ezra University. Was my good friend. Sema pole kwa familia. Natoa rambirambi zangu za 10,000. Asante sana.
Thank you. Thank you, MCA wa Mwenyerero Ward. 10,000 shillings. It is acknowledged.
Kwa majina naitwa Brenda Mora from Kisii County Assembly. Natoa 5,000.
Thank you, Sister Brenda. 5,000 shillings. It is acknowledged. God bless you.
Okay, mimi naitwa Jacob Barongo Bagaka, naibu speaker, na pia natoa rambirambi zangu kwa familia. Now that my contribution, I wanted to give the family of Helen 10,000, the family of Ezra 10,000, and the children 30,000, 50,000. Thank you.
Thank you so much. The Deputy Speaker, Kisii County, 50,000 shillings. We shall keep your word to the two parents.
Allow me to give condolences from Governor Simba Arati. I thought I was to come and see a lot of leaders. Now I can see he's the only Mheshimiwa Cherusa I've seen here. I wanted to raise more money from what the governor had given. And the governor had given me 100,000 for the 2 sons, and each family 20,000 for the parents. In total 140,000. And now I have come here. I have seen my friend Pastor Ezra from US. I'm sure as he's coming, he will give me some top-up on behalf of what governor has given.
So Ezra, sio mahubiri ni pesa tunatafuta in dollars. In dollars. Your friend here twice now give money.
Pastor Ezra is the one who made me to be baptized at Nairobi Central SDA Church. Yes, you have to give us dollars from US.
I declare you're going to send to their bank. Yes, dollars. Money here in dollars, we shall exchange them and give you the number.
And I want Mheshimiwa Eyororo to add for me 10,000.
Eyororo ongeza shilingi 10,000 ifike 150. Kutoka kwa till nasoma message 880-100. Ndio kuna simu aseme
Jacob Bagaka to add me another 10,000.
Mheshimiwa Bagaka, the Deputy Speaker, 10,000 more to the 50,000.
So we are now at 160,000.
160,000 from this team.
I will add 40,000 for myself to make it 200,000.
Thank you. 10,000 acknowledged together with Her Excellency, 40,000 in total from the office of the Governor Kisii County and the County Assembly. 200,000. What do you say? Thank you. Thank you. On top of the Governor Nyamira County also sent us 25,000 shillings.